So how was this call? Wow. Tell
Okay,
me.
you want me to answer? Okay,
Yes.
sure. So today's call, we laid out the foundation, what needs to be done, what should be my first step, and that is to create a free video course as a lead magnet, which is much more effective than PDFs and other lead magnets. So I believe this is like the most efficient way, like most efficient first step towards the bigger goal of making money online. And I have a very clear goal what to do as my first step today.
Using that free course. Great, thanks. Thank you for giving this quick feedback. And are you enjoying this 1 year of freedom mentorship training?
Yes, I'm enjoying this a lot, getting a lot of valuable insight and clear instructions. I'm totally enjoying it.
That's
Super
correct.
excited for
That's correct. Because see, in this freedom mentorship training, this is like a 1 year of mentorship program. But in every call, you will create something, right? In every call, I would plan your next steps. Based on that plan, you will create that thing into, tangible matter, right? And then once that is created, so technically you will be creating, I will be teaching you how to create assets on every call. So every move will be a practical approach. So this won't be a theory, right? So let's say when we meet again, you will have the outline of your course, right? And the training. Then you will start creating it, right? Because the problem with people in digital marketing is that they are never able to execute. And it's very hard to execute and implement all alone without a mentor who also becomes your accountability partner. That is me in this case, right? So I think you can clearly see that it's not the money part, but the money will come to you as a byproduct, and it will come continuously, because once you have that course ready, you keep sending traffic to it. The more traffic you send, the more recurring money you make, right? Then you use that recurring money for further stuff, right? So that's how it would be.